Moment of truth. I've taken 4mm off this bush and housing and that bush and housing, and it's going to go on this keel pivot rod to see if the keel now fits into the keel box. So last time I tried, it was 6mm too narrow, the keel box. So hopefully this adjustment should make sure that I can fit the keel and then mark out some other part that needs to be welded onto the keel box. So first bearing went on beautifully. There's no gap, there's no play, and it's a good spin. So I'm happy with that one. So that's the starboard side. So let's try the port side now. Port side on. This one is not as free spinning as the other one is. If I use two hands I can spin it, but I think what I need to do is clamp it up to the keel box and then move it up and down a few times so that it settles in. Moment of truth. This is the first time the keel is attached to the keel box. I have only tightened the bolts by hand, so I haven't used as in hand strength. So they are tight enough for me to test, but I probably want to tighten them much harder when they actually go on. So let's see. We have no play so far, and it is going in. There's no stop here now, so I'm just going to lean it against the I'm happy with that. It looks like it's a couple of a centimeter to the right. I will have to get a tape measure, but definitely happy with that. So with the keel in this position, I have a good point to measure from up here. So I'm going to get a tape measure